Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mila Easy English. We're so happy you're here with us today. If this is your first time listening, welcome. And if you come back every week, thank you so much for supporting our channel.
Hey everyone, it's great to be here again. Today's episode is going to help you sound much more natural in English conversations. This is one of those topics that people use every single day.
Oh, yes, definitely. I actually used these words many times this morning already. I said, I can make coffee, I couldn't find my keys, and I'll be able to finish my work tonight.
Exactly. Today we're talking about can, could, and be able to. These expressions are very common, but many English learners feel confused about when to use each one.
Don't worry, because today we'll explain everything step by step in very simple English. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to talk about ability, possibility, permission, and future situations much more naturally.
We'll also show you common mistakes, real-life examples, casual conversations, and easy practice activities, so make sure you stay with us until the end.
And we want you to join the conversation too. While you listen, write examples in the comments. Tell us something you can do, something you could do when you were younger, and something you'll be able to do in the future.
That's a great idea. Practice is the best way to improve your English.
Also, if you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video, subscribe to Mila Easy English, and share this episode with your friends who are learning English too.
All right.
Examples are, I can't drive. She can't come today. We can't understand this question. Sometimes learners pronounce can and can't the same way, but native speakers usually stress can't more strongly.
Listen carefully. I can swim. I can't swim.
Big difference.
Now, let's move to could. This word is very interesting because it has several meanings. First, could is the past form of can. We use it to talk about past ability. Structure, subject, plus could, plus base verb.
Examples. When I was a child, I could run very fast. My grandmother could speak 3 languages. We could see the mountains from our hotel.
Here are more examples. I could read simple English last year. He could play guitar when he was 10. They could stay outside late during summer vacation.
Let's make it personal again. When I was younger, I could stay awake all night. Now I get tired at 10 p.m.
Same here. And when I was in school, I could remember phone numbers easily. Now I forget everything. Listeners, tell us something you could do in the past. Maybe you could play a sport or sing well when you were younger. Another important use of could is polite requests.
Yes. Which sentence is correct? A, I can to swim. B, I can swim.
The correct answer is B, because after can, we use the base verb.
Next one. A, could you help me? B, can you two help me?
Correct answer, A.
Great job if you answered correctly.
And remember, don't worry about mistakes. Every English learner makes them.
Absolutely. Even advanced learners mix these expressions sometimes.
Keep practicing out loud because speaking helps your brain remember patterns naturally.
And write your own examples in the comments. That's one of the best ways to improve quickly.
All right, let's continue and explore more real-life uses of can, could, and be able to.
Now let's look at everyday situations where people use these expressions naturally. Imagine you're at a restaurant.
You might say, can I get a coffee? Or could I get a coffee?
Both are common, but could sounds more polite and friendly.
At work, people often use could in emails and meetings.
For example, could you send me the report? Could we discuss this tomorrow?
But friends usually use can because it sounds more casual.
Like, can you call me later? Can we watch a movie tonight?
English changes depending on the situation, and that's very important to understand.
First tip, use can for casual, everyday conversations.
Second tip, use could for polite requests.
Third tip, use be able to for future ability or complex tenses.
These small changes make your English sound much more natural.
And don't forget to practice speaking. Pause this episode and make 3 sentences. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mila Easy English, and write your own examples in the comments below.
Thanks so much for learning with us today. Take care, keep practicing, and see you next time.